بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the second year. My name is teacher Ines Ahdethi. So as you can see, this will be our enrichment activities number 2. Again, we started with the first one, activities number 1, and we decided to have it focused on unit number 3, friends and neighbors. Still, we will be doing this with this unit because, as you can see, it has so many information. So for any reason, if you missed any of the lessons before, this will be a very good chance for you to catch what you have missed. This is the cover of unit number 3, neighbors and friends. Neighbors and friends. This is the third unit of book number 2. Again, this is the name. Neighbors and friends are noun, and they are both plural nouns. Let's start by WH questions. What do I mean by WH questions? In order to ask questions in this lesson, we need to revise and go through WH questions several times. Okay? So, WH questions are WH words that requires different information. As you can see here, I have who, what, when, which, where, how, and why. Why do I use them? I use them for different purposes. Okay, we will discuss them one at a time. As you can see, who. I use who whenever I need to know an information about a person. Who is your favorite? Who's your favorite person? Who's your father? Who's your English teacher? And so on. So let's read. Who is that boy? My brother Ali. So here, by asking this question, I need person's name. Who is that boy? My brother's Ali. Then I have what. What is on the table? There is a pencil. I use what whenever I want to know about something or about an action. What are you doing? What is that? What are these? Okay? The answer would be an action or something. There is a pencil. The next WH word here I have is where. I use where if I need to know the location or a place of something. Where is your book? Where is your book? It is in the bag. Here I give in the answer I gave a place, which is the bag. The pencil is, the book is in the bag. Next one I have why. Why? Why are you late? Why do I ask this question? If I need a reason. Because I missed my bus. Okay? And for the last one, I have when. When is the party? When do you go to school? I need a time here. A day, a time, a week, maybe a year. On Friday at 2 o'clock. Okay? So I use when whenever I want to know about the time. Here are all the WH words that we covered. Who is used for a person. When is used whenever we need to know about the time. How is the way something or the way something happens. I use what for a thing or an action. As for where, we use where to ask about a place, and why is often used to know the reason of something. Okay, these are all the WH words that we might get. Now it's time to practice. Let's try to complete based on the answer we have. Okay, so here I have the answer. My teacher is Mrs. Jane. My teacher is Mrs. Jane. What do you think the question is? For having a person's name, I have a person's name. So, who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? That's the information I'm looking for. She is Mrs. Jane. So, who is your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Jane. I gave a person's name. How about this one? My house is next to the hospital. Here I have what? What do you think I have? I have a place. Very good. I have a place. So, my house is next to the hospital. The question is, where is your house, Sarah? Very good. Where is your house? My house is next to the hospital. Very good. My house is next to the hospital. Now, how about this one? I have 3 sisters. I have 3 sisters. Now, in the question, I know you can get this one. How many sisters do you have, Ali? Very good. How many sisters do you have? I have 3 sisters. Very good. I have 3 sisters. How about this one? My hobby is swimming. My hobby is swimming. So what do you think the question was? The question for this answer. My hobby is swimming. The question is, what is your hobby, Sami? Very good. What is your hobby? My hobby is swimming. Very good. My hobby is swimming. Now, I need you here to help me to decide what is the correct WH word. Okay, starting with the first one. It's either when or why. Is the party? The question is, or the answer is at 11 o'clock. When is the party? Very good. When is the party? The next one. Why? Who? Are you late? Because I wake up late. So what do you think? I need a reason. That's why we use why. Why are you late? Because I wake up late this morning. Now, last one, I have where and when is your bag? It is in my car. It is in my car. So the question is, where is your bag? Very good. Where is your bag? It is in my car. It is in my car. Very good. Now, let's practice some more WH word by reading the question. Let's read the answer first and let's try to figure out the WH word. She is my sister. She is my sister. What do you think the question word is? She is my sister. Who is she? Very good. Who is she? Who is this girl? She is my sister. Next one is that. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. I'm asking about an animal here by saying, what is that? Very good. What is that? What is that, my dear student? It is a mouse. It is a mouse. Next one, because he has got a new car. So here I have a reason, right? I have a reason. For reasons, we use why. Why is he happy? Let's double check. Because he has got a new car. Very good. Next one, yesterday. I have a time here. For yesterday, the question is, when did he arrive? Very good. When did he arrive? Yesterday. Very good. He arrived yesterday. Now, here I have all the things that's related to a child, to a baby. When, who, where, and why. I have a rattle in the crib in the morning, my baby brother. Based on the thing here, we need to come up with a question. For the first one, I have a rattle. What is this? What is it? It is a rattle. Very good. It's a baby's rattle. Very good. So what is it? Now then, I have in the crib. Where does a baby sleep? Very good. Where does the baby sleep? In the crib. Very good. Next one, I have in the morning. I have a time. When does the baby wake up? When does the baby wake up? In the morning. Very good. And who is that? That is my baby brother. Very good. Who is that? Okay? Now, I need you to take a look at all these splashes and tell me what was the first thing that comes to your mind. That we will talk about what? Are we going to talk about numbers, feelings, verbs? No, we are going to talk about colors. Very good. We will talk about colors. Okay? Now, let me show you this one and tell me, how many colors can you name? How many colors can you name among these? I know you can most probably name all of them. So how many colors? Try to take some time, name few. Yes, let me reveal the names of the colors. Here I have black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, and white. Let's read the colors one more time. Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, and white. I have all these colors. Now, why do we need to go through the colors one more time? Because we will be describing people's clothes in a minute. Now, I have this one, and I have a question mark. What do you think we will do now? What do you think we will do? We will describe people, or we will play a guessing game. Who are we talking about? Now, before we do that, we need to revise clothes, the outfits that we wear daily, okay? For example, here I have boots, shirt, gloves, uniform, suit, jeans, short, shoes, and hat, okay? These are different clothes that we might wear. Also, we might have these as well: a cap, belt, skirt, socks, sunglasses, hair clip, shorts, shoes. Very good. These are different kind of clothes. Now, what are we going to do? As you can see here, I have a boy and a girl. Of course, boys go for different clothes than the girls, right? So let's go ahead and start with the girl's outfit. Let's read. She's wearing what? She's wearing glasses. She's wearing a t-shirt, a bracelet, a bag, a skirt, and socks. Okay? Now, coming for the boy, he's wearing a cap, a shirt, a belt, watch, shorts, and some shoes. Okay? These are the outfits that the boy and the girl is wearing. Let's read them one more time. I have glasses. She's wearing glasses. T-shirt, bracelet, bag, skirt, and socks. For the boy, he's wearing a cap, a shirt, a belt, watch, shorts, and shoes. Now, we will start with an easy one. Let's describe this boy's outfit. Okay, let's try to complete. What are you wearing? By asking this question. Let's ask this boy, what are you wearing? So he will probably say, I am wearing a yellow what? What do you think? He's wearing a yellow what? Is he wearing a yellow dress? Is he wearing a yellow jacket? Is he wearing a yellow shoes? A yellow jeans? No, actually he's wearing a yellow shirt. Very good. He is wearing a yellow shirt. Okay? And blue what? What do you think? He's wearing a blue trousers. Very good. He's wearing blue trousers. So let's read our answers one last time. I am wearing a yellow shirt and blue trousers. Okay, could we describe also his shoes? What colors are his shoes? He's wearing red and white shoes. Very good. He's wearing red and white shoes. Very good. Now, how about this boy? This is Billy. He's wearing what? Let me give you 30 seconds. Try to write it on your own. Try to describe this boy's outfit or clothes. 30 seconds, and then let's reveal the answers together. Okay, so let's read together. This is Billy. He's wearing a white what? What do you think? He's wearing a white. Very good. We might say a shirt or a sweater. Okay, so he's wearing a white shirt. What else? He's wearing a red what? He's wearing red what? He's wearing red trousers. Very good. He's wearing red trousers and black shoes. Very good. So let's read our answers one more time. This is Billy. He is wearing a white shirt, red trousers and black shoes. And black shoes, very good. Now, let me describe, or let's play a guessing game. As you can see here, I have two boys and then I have two girls, okay? I have two boys above and I have two girls below. What are we going to do? I will describe each and every boy's outfit, and then I need you to tell me, are we talking about, let me put numbers for the boys, number 1 or number 2? Okay, let's give numbers also to the girls, number 1 and number 2. Okay, now I will start by what? I will start by describing the boys here, and you will tell me, are we talking, or am I describing boy number 1 or boy number 2? Okay, so let's start. The boy I'm talking about is wearing a yellow shirt. The boy I'm talking about is wearing a yellow shirt. Now, looking at both boys, they both wear yellow shirts, right? They are both wearing a yellow shirt. Okay, let's give more details. The boy I'm talking about is wearing gloves. Now, by looking at the two boys, again, they are wearing gloves, right? So the first boy and the second boy are wearing gloves. So we need to give more details. The boy I'm talking about is wearing a white shoes. Now, not both of them are wearing white shoes. Actually, boy number 1 is wearing a white shoes. So we are talking about this boy. He is wearing a white shoes. Okay, so the boy is wearing yellow shirt, blue shorts, and white shoes. Now, let's go to the girls and describe them too. The girl I'm talking about is wearing a red shirt. Now, both of the girls are wearing red shirts, right? Okay, let's try to describe something else. The girl I'm talking about is wearing black trousers. Now, both of them are wearing black trousers. Let's go and describe the shoes. The girl I'm talking about is wearing red shoes. So, again, both of them are wearing the same shoes. So, the girl I'm describing is wearing a red hat. A red hat, very good. So here we are talking about girl number 2. I'm describing this girl. Let's describe her outfit one more time. She's wearing a red cap, she's wearing a red shirt, and she's wearing a black trouser. She's wearing a black trousers. Very good. Now, how about this one? I have this girl, she's watering the flower, she's wearing things, she's not wearing other things. Let's read. Number 1. She isn't wearing a hat. What do you think? What do you think? How can we describe this girl? She is or she isn't wearing a hat? Now look at the picture. Is she wearing a hat? Very good. So our answer is she is wearing a hat. Very good. She is wearing a hat. Excellent. So the girl, is wearing a hat. How about number 2? She isn't wearing a jacket. What do you think? Is she wearing a jacket, my dear student? Look at her outfit. Is she wearing a jacket? The answer is isn't. Very good. She isn't wearing a jacket. Very good. She isn't wearing a jacket. Actually, she is wearing a dress. So she is wearing a hat. She isn't wearing a jacket. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and revise what we have learned in this lesson. We try to cover all the activities that were very important at the third unit, neighbors and friends. We talked about describing people's clothes. Also, we have gone through all the outfits that boys and girls tend to wear. That was in this activities, and also I highly recommend to go to the previous one, activity number 1, to catch most important grammars that we covered at Unit 3. So that was my enrichment activities, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.